Hi, teachers. I know we didn't get to meet today, and I wanted to get this information out to you because we need to get these tier two groups up and going. So, I just want to talk real quickly about tier two and tier three and our focus, and hopefully, we get these kids the help that they need. So, this year for tier two, I have spent lots and lots of time looking at data, more than I ever wish to do. But obviously, fluency is the big missing piece for these kiddos. We progress monitor ORF. We obviously give that as part of our assessments, is that oral reading fluency. And so we know that ORF is a problem, but also our word reading fluency is lower as well. So that's just sight word reading. For first grade, we actually give this assessment in AIMSweb so you can see those scores. So you can see those two pieces are what we're going to focus on in tier two. Okay? In tier three, then will be that phonemic awareness and phonics piece. We saw last year that we were trying to do phonics in tier three and phonics in tier two, and you were doing phonics in your room. And so our lowest kids might have been working on phonics 3 different places, but they might have been 3 different skills. And so in order to try and streamline that a little bit, or try and not confuse our struggling readers, we're going to look at having kind of 2 different focuses for those kiddos. And hopefully just that extra practice of application from phonics that they've had in the room will get a lot of kids out of tier 2, right? That's our overall goal, is to not have kids living in tier 2 land or moving on to tier 3, but to get them out and back into the classroom. So that being said, here's the plan I would like to implement for tier 2 to see if we can help these kiddos out. So I was able to purchase some decodable passages for our kids, and this serves a couple different purposes. One, it looks more similar to our oral reading fluency test that we give the kids. This is just an example, but it's not a colorful or pretty paper. It's just text, and that's similar to what our kids see when we give them that oral fluency test. So hopefully this type of text will help students apply what they've learned. So when we test the kids, we just notice that they're not really attacking the words that they don't know, and they're not doing that quickly. So by practicing this type of reading, hopefully we'll see an improvement in that. And hopefully then it will also carry over to more leveled readers that you use in your classroom, or that they're reading during independent reading time. So I love that they're going to get to practice that skill. In my opinion, it's kind of its own genre, right? We read a passage different than we read a nonfiction book, different than we read a fiction story. Okay, so we'll be able to teach into that as well. So we've got the decodable part down. Okay, they can put into practice those skills that they're learning in their classroom. Okay, and also each passage has sight words, okay, that are found within the passage. So if we can focus on those sight words for the week and the passage for the week, hopefully we'll see kiddos becoming more confident and stronger readers. Okay, so I'm working on getting these materials ready for everyone, so that when you work with the tier groups in your classrooms, and the ladies that are pulling them out will also be doing these same types of activities. Okay, so and they're all leveled, obviously, so we can find the skill that is appropriate for your kiddos. So hopefully I didn't ramble too much. Let me know if you have any questions it'll make more sense too when I get this in your hands. So that is coming as soon as possible. Okay. Just FYI, we were going to group our students today. I was hoping to give you the opportunity to do that work. But since we didn't get to meet, I went ahead and grouped your kiddos. So you'll get a paper that looks similar to this, okay, with your kiddos' names on it. If you will do me a huge favor and check these kiddos, I'll also give you a list of show you your data. It'll be attached so you can see the kiddos that I've grouped. But if you will check the pink and blue sheets and see if anyone received tier last year that's not in a group, if you would get back with me and let me know, that would be great. We'll try and get those friends in a group if we can, right? Okay. So that's what I need from you, and we should be ready. You can see who has your kids, and hopefully we will be good to go to start on Monday. Thank you.